is a scene taking place in SAP Consulting Private Limited. Here, the manager, Mr. Akshay Rungta, will be getting a call from the client, Dr. Witten.
Hi, Dr. Witten. How are you? I'm good. Yeah, everything is going fine. The project is totally fine. Don't you worry about it. So, how's California? Yeah. I know. Yeah, it's been raining here too. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, as I told you, I have two of the best persons working for the project, so you don't worry about it. You know Saurav, right? I guess you have spoken to him. He got the best employer award in our organization, so you don't have to worry about it. And also, you know, you also have spoken to Prachi, I guess. She's very talented, you know. So you just don't worry about the project, and it's all taken care. It's all on time, and it'll be delivered on time. You just don't worry. Yeah, you can believe me. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'll see you later. Thank you. This is scene 2 where Saurav and Prachi are working on the project.
This testing is going to kill me one day. Saurav, could you please come and help me in this?
Yeah.
See, this is how the loop goes, you know this, right? This is where all the records are coming in, and after that I have no idea where they are going. See, this has been executed, so has this one, and this is where the problem is.
Okay. Just scroll down.
Yeah. Yeah, see?
Okay, when is the deliverable?
The deliverable is tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, the testing is not completed yet. We were supposed to do that, but then we've not been able to. And this, I've been tackling with this for a week now. I thought I'll be able to finish it, but then it's not.
I guess we have to tell the manager about this thing.
You know how the manager is. I cannot tell them, no, dude, my job and my career is on the line. We cannot tell them that this is happening. I'll stay overnight today and could you help me?
Yeah, I will be helping you, but I think we can, like, if it is not fixed, then we can actually see that in the subsequent releases. We can just pass it over right now.
So should I just like comment this part of the...
comment and like integrate it with the next part of the project.
Okay.
And we will just release a patch or something.
Okay,
Yeah,
so we'll tell this to the manager tomorrow at the meeting?
No, we won't be telling that. We will just telling that the product is okay.
Yeah,
yes,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. This is a scene on the day of the meeting of the deliverable.
Hey guys.
Hi.
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
How are you? Yeah. How's the project going on? I guess all fine.
Yeah.
Today's a big day, you know.
Yeah.
All set for the big day.
Yes, sir. But there is.
But what? But you know today is a deliverable, right? There's no but. You know how many resources we have put on, and you know how much we have invested in. It's around 20 million, I guess, $20 million. So I don't want any buts. You know that. I'm sure everything's fine. I trust you all. You know that, yeah.
Yes, everything is fine. There is nothing to worry about.
That's cool. So everything's fine. So you all are due a big party then when the delivery goes fine.
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully.
So I'll see you in some time. So Saurav has already experienced this in his last project. So Saurav was fired because he was not able to. He didn't inform the previous manager about the defect in the project. And regarding Prachi, she is awaiting her promotion, which is due next month, and she is to surely get that. Hence, these people have decided not to tell the manager regarding the defect.
This is a scene where the manager gets a call from the client regarding the defect.
Hi, Dr. Vitan. How are you doing? Yeah. What? Are you sure? Oh my God. I'm extremely sorry. I was sure that this delivery would go fine. Oh, I'm extremely sorry. I know how much I have invested and how many resources you have put in this too. Oh my God, I didn't expect this. I'm really sorry. I'll try to solve this as soon as possible. Yeah, don't you worry. I know. I can understand. I'm extremely sorry for this. Yeah, I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah. Oh my God, what have they done? Is there any defect?
We'll try to fix it. In
No, but did you know about it before?
Yes, we found it just last night.
You also have told me. I could have talked to the client and I could have delayed the production. Now what do I tell him?
So we knew how critical this project was.
Yeah.
We
Yeah, so you could have just told me, right? You all knew how critical it was. So you could have just told me.
We did not think that the defect was so big that
We
we just thought that we could
patch it
handle
in
it with the
the
next release.
I don't know how I'm going to face the client right now. I'm very I don't know
We
what to
have
tell.
a lot at stake.
Saurav, you know what happened? Like I guess last time also when you were fired from a previous company, it was the same reason when you didn't tell your manager.
Yes.
And Prachi, I hope you remember that the promotion is coming up.
Yes.
This is not good at all.
So we knew that there was a lot.
Yeah, that's what you all could have told me.
From our side also and from the
Yeah,
client side also.
this is not a dilemma you all should have. If there's any defect, too late today. I can't do anything at all. You know, the client has blasted me, so I'm extremely sorry. Saurav, you have experienced this before. You're fired. I don't have any other choice. I don't want any explanation. And Prachi, you can just forget about your promotion. And I don't know about your future in the company. I'll probably think about it, but I'm extremely
Sir,
sorry.
I only instructed Prachi to.
I don't know, whatever. You are an experienced candidate, and I'm extremely sorry.
This was an ethical dilemma on my part, whether I should inform the manager about the whole defect in the coding or not. I should have done it, and I should have informed the manager about the whole thing. I did not, and this was a mistake on my part.
This was an ethical dilemma on my part, whether I should listen to my colleague about the defect, whether about to tell the manager or not, and whether I was supposed to do the right thing. I should have informed the manager about it and tried to postpone the release, but then I